My grocery shopping, but I did not have time and pack away my meat, so today I'm doing it on a Monday. Manuel, can I just do something here? Yeah, so on Saturday I had to go out with my husband, and then on Sunday I also had to go out with my husband and the kids, so I did not have the time to do this. Now it's Monday and it's my day off, so yeah, let's get it done. So the last time I washed my meat in the sink, the comment section, oh my goodness. But now, I don't know if it's working properly, but yeah, this is what people wanted me to do, so I am doing it for the people who were commenting, don't wash your meat in the sink, but my sink is always clean. I don't know what they're on about. The sink is always clean. I clean it before, I clean it after. Now I'm not sure if this meat is working properly. But yeah. Anyways, I'm still gonna wash it again when it's ready to be cooked. So we're just gonna let it sit here so the water can drain, and then I'm gonna pack it away into small freezer bags. Barbecue here, so I'm not gonna cook it now. I'll put it in the freezer.
Mommy,
Yes, Lulu. Aluel, look at my hand. Look at my hands. Come on, find it. Put it here. There, take it. What happened? Okay. I'm gonna leave this in here so I can cook it tonight. And yeah, they're ready to be put into the freezer.
I'm gonna put this in here so I can cook it tonight for dinner. Sure.
So now time for the chicken. So this is only 2 bags for the chicken. I'm gonna cook it 2 times. And the small one is for my meal plan. High protein meal. Aluel, please. And it's ready to go into the freezer. Hold on.
Mommy, put them on.
What happened?
Put them on.
No.
Huh? No, them on.
Aluel, No. Here. Don't really give me a second. Let me do this. Let me do this, bà già lôi. So I'm gonna put this in the fridge for tonight dinner. And that's it. We are done. Thank you for watching. Bye.